Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A41 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel where we will find the hotspot toggle, which is right here. Now the position of it might vary, but the name will not. So from here, before you actually tap on it to toggle it on, you want to hold it, and this will take us, or should take us, to the settings. Apparently I'm in airplane mode, so let's just disable that, and there we go. So once you hold it, it takes you to the settings, and from here at the top you can change the name of your Wi-Fi. So you could change it to something simpler. Just gonna remove the additional numbers for no reason, and it's called now Galaxy A41. Then you have the password, which I would advise to change it. Now the only thing that it will need to have is at least 8 characters in length. So once it has, you can then tap on save, and at the bottom here you have the band, so you have 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Now if you're going to be connecting to your Wi-Fi with an older device, then I would keep it at 2.4, but if you have a relatively newer device from like a couple of years, it should be good enough to handle the 5 gigahertz. Now the difference in it is just the strength of it, so the 5 gigahertz will be more stable and just a stronger and faster option, while the 2.4 will be accessible by a wider array of devices. And even when you select it, it gives you that devices that don't support 5 gigahertz won't be able to find or connect to your hotspot. So if that is the case, if you don't see your network, even though it's connected in your Wi-Fi list, then go back here and change it to 2.4. Otherwise, I would just keep it at 5. It's gonna be better. And from there, once everything is set, all you need to do is just leave this, and you don't need to go back here ever again, unless you forget the password. And all you need to do now is just tap on the toggle, turn off Wi-Fi, and then it turns on the hotspot. As you can see now, it's enabled, and also you can see it right here, tethering or hotspot active. So in your Wi-Fi list, you should now see the Galaxy A41 Wi-Fi. And once you're done with it, all you need to do is just tap on it once more to turn it off. So that is how you would enable and set up the hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.